Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. I love having family pictures up all over our house. And this set right here has exceeded my expectations. It is a really nice set. It has a mat that is black. So the matting is extra thick. It's not just one piece of mat, but it's a piece of foam in between two layers. So I think that this really makes the picture frame stand out and make your pictures look really high quality. My husband and I just had pictures done and I wanted to display them in our bedroom. And I have been looking for something that I like on the shelf. I wasn't very happy with what I had on there before, but this set looks so nice. I am thrilled with it. You can remove the matting and then you could fit an 11 by 14, but with the mat, these are 8 by 10s. To put the pictures in is really easy. These have brackets so you can hang a picture vertical or horizontal on the wall, or you can have it leaning on the tabletop. So that's what I have here. It's just resting on the shelf and leaning against the wall. They also have ones with white matting, which are really nice. If you're looking for really high quality picture frames to set your pictures apart, this set is perfect. I love it, and it makes our bedroom look so cozy with our nice pictures of us as a couple. But that's just my point of view.